So one of our ladies asked for a breakfast meal without any dairy, and I'm gonna share what I make most mornings, pretty much every morning for like the last 6 months, maybe a year. All right, so this is really easy to customize to your own macros, but in this bowl, I make sure that it's big enough so that when it's cooking, there's room for it to overflow. I've got a pack of these bitter oats, 100-calorie packs. I like the cinnamon roll, but the maple one is good too. And I've got some frozen blueberries in there, a little bit of stevia, some flaxseed, some chia seed, and some cinnamon. So that's all in there. And then I am going to put some water in here, so I will be right back. All right, so I just put enough water in to cover, give it a stir, and then I'm going to microwave this for 2 minutes and then add some other stuff. All right, the 2 minutes are up. Careful, that bowl is hot. And I want to put in 320 grams of whites today. So close enough. All right, and I usually give it a little wiggle and then stick it back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. All right, so when it comes out, it's gonna look kind of gross, but I promise it tastes good. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of peanut butter, some Greek yogurt, and some Walden's Farms syrup to the top. And that's gonna be my breakfast.